The circuit shown below is a. The options are low pass filter with 3 dB frequency equal to 1 by R1 plus R2 into C radian per second. High pass filter with 3 dB frequency equal to 1 by R1 into C radian per second. Low pass filter with 3 dB frequency equal to 1 by R1 into C radian per second. The fourth option is high pass filter with 3 dB frequency as 1 by R1 plus R2 into C radian per second. Okay, this is a simple question if you know the theory. First of all, this is a negative feedback circuit because negative pin and output are connected. Therefore, virtual ground property works here. Therefore, directly 0 volt is transferred here. Whatever is at positive pin, same voltage is at negative pin. That is the virtual ground property of an op-amp in negative feedback circuits. Now use KCL. What does KCL say? Current inside this plus current inside this plus current inside this is 0. First of all, for an ideal op-amp, the current which goes inside the op-amp is 0. Let me say it as I. This I is equal to 0. Why? Because op-amp does not draw any current. Okay, the op-amp does not draw any current. Therefore, this I is 0. Therefore, we should solve for this. In frequency domain analysis, C is converted to 1 by j omega C, which is obvious, and R is converted as R only. If L is present, it is converted to j omega into L. Therefore, applying this one, KCL. KCL states what? Sum of all the leaving currents at a node is equal to 0. Apply this property. Therefore, the leaving current at this point is 0 minus V input by R1 plus 1 by j omega C. This is the first current that is leaving, that is this current. And now I am writing this current plus 0 minus V output, I will say this, by R2 is equal to 0. Okay, very simple. Two leaving currents is equal to 0. And this current is anyway plus I should be there. And I can be neglected as 0 since op-amp draws no current at all. Is equal to minus V output by R2. Therefore, V output by V input equal to how much? R2 into j omega C by 1 plus j omega into R1 into C. And this is minus. Anyway, we are concerned only with voltage gain. That is the magnitude. V of output by V of input magnitude. That is j omega into R2 into C by 1 plus j omega R1 into C. What is the magnitude of this? Omega R2 into C by square root of 1 plus omega R1 into C whole square. 3 dB frequency is the frequency at which the voltage gain becomes 1 by root 2 of the initial value. Okay, here omega equal to 1 by RC. If omega equal to 1 by R1 into C, then what happens? This becomes something by root 2. Therefore, this is called the 3 dB frequency. Okay, we want this term should become root 2. That is 1 by root 2. This root 2 is the main term here. Therefore, omega equal to 1 by RC, 1 by R1C, 1 by R1C cancels and 1 plus 1 at omega equal to 1 by R1C radian per second. Therefore, 1 by R1C is the cutoff frequency, and we should say whether it is low pass or high pass filter. Okay. From this C, when omega equal to 0, what is the filter? When omega equal to 0, we are getting it as 0. omega equal to 0, AV is how much? That is voltage gain. I am saying something AV is equal to 0. 0 by 1 plus something, that is 0. When omega is large, very large, what happens? Omega R1C is very large compared to 1. Therefore, this can be neglected. Therefore, square and root can be cancelled, which implies R2 into C by R1 into C, which is R2 by R1, means something R2 by R1 here. At low frequencies it is 0, and at high frequencies omega large, omega approximately 0, we are having like this, and this is omega, this is AV, and F3 dB is somewhere here. Omega 3 dB, which gives 1 by root 2 of this value. That is 1 by R1 into C. And omega is 0, we got very less, and omega equal to large, we got very big. Therefore, this is high pass filter, right? It is a high pass filter with 1 by R1 into C. Therefore, B is the correct option.